Okay guys, so I'm going to apply the wig. We're going to see how this looks. I already know low-key that I'm not gonna like it because I hate bangs on myself, but I do like the concept of the wig with the removable bangs. I don't like bangs on myself per se, but I just wanted to show you guys a very versatile wig, and it's very, very nice. This wig is a bob wig. You guys saw me straighten it. I'll probably go in and straighten it a little bit more because it's still, you know, it wasn't on my head, so I'll straighten it once I put it on. And as you can see on the inside, it has a wig cap like attached to it to give like the fake scalp method. And I really like that. It's very well made. It's very well constructed. If you look up close, and then of course it has the elastic band, which is very helpful as well. And that allows for you to not have to use any glues or anything to attach this wig. You can literally just plop it on your head and be gone. So I'm just going to apply the wig, and then I'm going to straighten it from there and see how I like it. And then we're going to work with these detachable bangs. Also, this install does not require a wig cap. You do not need to wear a wig cap, but I need to wear one because I have really thick hair and I cannot apply a wig without mashing my hair down. So if you have some really good braids in your hair and you have a really flat install underneath, then you'll be fine. You don't have to add a wig cap because it comes with this on the inside. Okay, so this is the length of it. I do really like the length. I love where it stops. One thing I will say is I'm not a big fan of 1B hair or like the natural color. I think it looks gross on me. So I always dye my hair black. So if anything, I'll probably go and color this wig black because 1B hair is a no. It's not cute. So that's one thing I don't like about this wig, but I do really like the cut. I like how it's a little thinned out a little bit. It's not super thick, so it looks natural. So I'm just gonna go in with this little baby flat iron, which is from Conair, and I'm going to flat iron it to my face a little bit because it is kind of wacky at the bottom. So there is two different bangs. There is a lighter, wispier style bang, and then there is a thicker bang. And if you want a thicker bang, you can add them together. I am going to try both just so you guys can see. You guys, I don't know anything about bangs. I've never had like bangs before because I just don't like the way they look on me. And I just thought this was perfect because spring is, you know, the time to start chopping off your hair. And if you don't want to chop off your hair, for example, you could get a really nice bob wig like this. And if you're thinking about like bangs, you can get this and you could try to see how you like them before you actually cut your real hair. So I like that about these. Now I'm not gonna lie, this was a little bit of a struggle for me. I did practice a little bit before I came on camera, so hopefully it works out when I do it now. But okay, so basically you just take one side and you clamp it in, and then take the other side and clamp it in. I think that's on properly. As you can see, the bangs look a little crazy. I need to go back and fix those. So I'm just gonna take the middle part and soften up that a little bit because that looks ridiculous. You guys get the concept, but I do not like this at all. It's nothing wrong with the wig or the bangs. It's just, I don't like it on me. It's not cute. It's just not, it's not my thing. It's not a look, okay? It's not a look on me. Bangs is one of those things that you have to like literally play with because they are just not for everybody. Okay, so I didn't get it perfect, but this is just what the first bang looks like. I'm not a huge fan of bangs. Like, I'm just not. It doesn't look terrible, but it looks very, it matures me a lot. And I'm not feeling that, okay? You know, your girl's 25, not 52, okay? I really want to look, you know, my age. So bangs is just not my thing for that reason, especially because it makes me look a lot older. And I don't know. Let me know if you guys like this, because I don't know. Okay, so this is what the thicker bang looks like. Obviously, I just went over it and straightened it, but I'm just showing you how much thicker it is. So I'm not actually gonna like style it just yet. But this is how much thicker it is than the wispier one. As you can see, it's like pretty much see-through, and I actually like this one. This one is just too much hair for me. You kind of just gotta like move it around based on your face. So this is the back of the wig. I don't know if you guys could even still hear me, but this is the back of the wig. I don't know if I completely straightened it or not, but whatever. That's the back of the wig. Okay, so overall, I do really love the concept. The wig is beautiful. I love the invisible cap method underneath. It makes it a lot easier for application. It makes it a lot easier overall. You don't have to do any bleaching or anything like that, any plucking. It just looks really natural. The bangs, I do like the concept, but I do not like bangs on me personally. It's very simple, it's very easy, and like I said, it has two different bangs, a lighter one and then the thicker one that I have here. And if you want a thicker look, you can add them on top of each other, or if you don't want bangs that day at all, you could just take the bad boy off and you'll be good. So I really do like this. I love Hairvivi's wigs. They actually have some of the best wigs on the market, in my opinion, honestly. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed something a little different for once. I do want to try more hair videos and stuff like that, so definitely let me know any other type of hair type videos you want to see. I will be having another video coming up next week of me braiding my hair, Lord help me. So if you guys want to see that, give this a thumbs up. I will be doing individuals, triangle, jumbo box braids in my hair for Rolling Loud, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I think that's all I have. All the information will be down below for this wig, the website, the link, all of it, all the information. So definitely check out Hairvivi. Definitely one of the best wig companies, hands down, as far as quality goes, as far as the customization and everything that they can do for you goes. It's just top notch. And if you are a beginner, if you're someone who doesn't know how to do all of that, Hairvivi is the place to go. It is, I promise you guys. I'm not a wig person. I wear wigs a lot, but I don't know really what I'm doing. Honestly, I kind of finesse a little bit. So Hairvivi is very dummy proof. Not calling you guys dummies, but you know what I mean. So I'll see you guys in my next video.